Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. For this section 4, we'll be learning about micropipette, and this section is conducted by Mr. Ikhwan and me, Madam Pau. Basically, these micropipettes are the tools which we as the biologists use to measure and deliver accurate smaller volumes of liquids, usually starting at 1 microliter. So these tools are used in various laboratories, including microbiology, medical, research labs, and etc. So for this activity, we as the PIC and lecturers will teach you all students on how to use micropipette properly. Okay, we're going to teach you how to attach it to disposable polypropylene and how to dial the desired volume, how to eject the liquid, and many more. So let's start. Before that, let us digest first this lecture slide, because this part is more likely to your learning outcomes at the end of this lecture slide, followed by the video demonstration by Mr. Ikhwan. So students, you all should be able to perform followings. Number 1, should be able to select the proper automatic pipette in order for you to transfer desired volume of sample. Number 2, you all should be able to set a specific volume on the pipette volume indicator by using the volume adjustment knob. Number 3, you all should be able to read a digital volume which are setting in both microliter units. And then last but not least, you all should be able, the most important thing here, to demonstrate the correct technique on how to accurately transfer a sample of a stock solution to another vessel. This part is very useful for you to take note, since you are going to use it, this knowledge while conducting your OSPE session. First thing first, in order for us to handle micropipettes properly, first we have to familiarize ourselves with metric units of measurements and also their conversions. There are two most prevalent units of liquid measurement in molecular biology. They are millimeter and the microliter. So you can refer in this box on how to do the conversions. Next, we also have to know the sizes of micropipette. So this wording here are representing the sizes of the micropipettes. So if you take micropipettes with label P2, usually this wording are on their body of micropipette itself. If you take P2, so the volume limit is between 0.2 to 2 microliter. And if you take P1000, meaning that the volume limits is from 100 to 1000 microliter. Precautions, the things that students must always keep in their mind, things that students must always remember, to set the pipette volume only within the range specified for that micropipette. Please do not attempt to set a volume beyond the pipette's ideal minimum or maximum values, because this will damage the micropipette. Next, always keep a micropipette in the vertical position whenever there is fluid in the tip. This one is to prevent the liquid accidentally running back into the piston. And then last, always change tips for each new reagent you need to pipette, or if you touch any other liquids in the reaction tube, to avoid any contamination. For the time being, students, let's focus on how to handle micropipette first before you Thank you for listening. Do enjoy our next video demonstrations, and bye.